In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can give your account a fresh, recognizable look in just a few moments. Start by opening ChatGPT and looking toward the bottom left corner of the screen. That corner is your account hub. You'll see a small circular image there. If you haven't set one yet, it might show a default silhouette or the first letter of your name. Click that image. This opens a simple account menu with options tied to your profile and settings. From that menu, choose Profile. The profile page is where your basic account details live, and front and center, you'll see your current profile picture. Think of this as the face of your account, the image people associate with your messages and activity. To change it, click the picture itself. ChatGPT will immediately prompt you to select a file from your device. When the file chooser appears, navigate to the photo you want to use and select it. Aim for a clear, well-lit image that represents you or your brand. Common formats like JPG and PNG work great, and a square or near-square photo usually looks the most polished in a circular frame. If you have several versions of the same photo, pick the one with good contrast and minimal background clutter so it stays crisp even when displayed small. A simple background and centered subject tend to look best. After you've highlighted the image, confirm your selection. ChatGPT will upload it and replace the old picture with your new one. That's really all there is to it. If you pick the wrong file or change your mind later, you can repeat these exact clicks and choose a different photo anytime. A few quick tips can help your picture shine. Keep your face or logo centered, leave a little space around the edges so nothing gets cropped awkwardly, and use a high-quality image that doesn't look grainy. If you're concerned about privacy, consider using an abstract graphic or a logo instead of a personal photo. And if you like to stay organized, keep a small folder of profile-ready images on your device so it's easy to swap them in the future. Now you know exactly how to update your profile picture in ChatGPT. Click your image in the bottom left, choose Profile, click the picture, and pick your file. Simple, fast, and done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed look.